So setting up a YouTube channel is very easy if you really know the trick about setting up a YouTube channel. First of all, you should know you should have an account, at least a Gmail account. So you can go straight to create an account by clicking in that. When you open your Chrome, it's going to ask you to enter name of your channel, which you can put anything you like. You can go there and just type love. Let's say you want to talk about love and happiness, and that's what your channel is. Then the next thing is to give you an handle you can change, so you can come here and remove it, get those stuff out of there. If it's available, you should get a check here that tell you it's possible. But if an error, so the handle is taken, you can try this 461. So you can decide to click that, or why this check mark appear, or you can better still allow that, find a better one for yourself. So I'm just going to reduce my screen by reducing the size all from here. In case you don't know what, just reduce the size to 90. Then you see the creator channel. Now this place we've not uploaded any picture, which we can upload later on. Let's say that's a mistake from my end. So at no time you should load and your channel is available, and you should have your channel is being created. Check view in a moment. So let's assume your channel has been created, because I've already created one, and it's like this. So your channel will be created and you have something this way. So you can go straight to your channel by clicking when it's fully created. So click on your channel and it opened, because I just created this channel. Since my channel was taken down, I decided to walk you through on every step I take on making this channel a success. So now with 0 subscribers, I believe you watching should be part of my subscribers, because on this I'll be talking a lot of things on what you can do with your smartphone and your laptop as well. So stick to the end of this video. So now we have to customize this, which you can still come here. In case here is idle, you can pick one from here and go and pick some pictures from your phone or from your laptop and just put in there. In case you don't have anyone, you can go straight to PFP maker, which is profile picture maker. Then it's going to open. Then you just make some profile picture for yourself, or better still, you can just wait for that to load. Since it's still loading, and you're good to go. So here we can change and remove it as well. In case you want to change, click on change and you change it instantly. So now making banners, you have to put a banner. A banner is important. So if I go straight to this side of I'm just trying to come here so that I can show you something. So this part I've created my own. This is the one I'll be using for my banner. It's very easy. So go straight to Canva, search for YouTube template. So simple, just like this, as I've searched here. So you can come in here and ensure you're in this part. So search for YouTube banner. Then after that, you just pick one of all these, and the load, it loads faster and gives you some template you can use. So here and here we have loads. It's advisable you find one that is centered aligned, just like this one, so that it can appear both on phone and both on PC or the laptop. So that's why I try to put them on the center. You can reduce the size if you think it's too big later on, but let's see how it fits. All right, so I'll be going over to this one. Then I'm going to change this by just uploading what I just downloaded from here. So I'll check my downloads very fast. This is what I downloaded after making it on Canva. Then now you see this doesn't really fit what I want. So what I'll do is to make sure I resize that and make it smaller so that it sits in here, so that anybody who comes can watch. Now look at what it said. It said viewable on all devices. It means within the site, this is where they will see if they're on a smartphone, but if they're on desktop, they're going to see everything like this. So you can decide to leave it this way or make it smaller like this. Better is to make it better. So we reduce the size of Canva. Just pick one of the templates, select all here now, and we're going to make this smaller by dragging it so that it looks very small. Then we can bring it to this place and put it there. Now I'm going to share this as well by just downloading that. So download very fast. So in no time we should have it downloaded. So I'm going to download this as PNG file, which will appear in this place in no time soon. All right, so while we wait for this download to finish complete, because it's going to move all from here to here, and 4.1 megabytes, the download should be done when I go straight to this side. All right, download is done, so we're going to repeat the same process and get it done. So over this play, I'm going to X out from here because I want to cancel it. I want to re-upload. So I'm going to upload as well from scratch. Then we have this one again. I'm going to open it and see if it really sits at the position we want. So now you see we have this already positioned, but at this place we have the Austin over here cutting out. So we can decide to drag this up a bit. It's very simple. So all you have to do is to just bring this among the screen. So now we have this all positioned. We have this face, and you think this is better, you can just leave that and just hit on done, and we are good to go. It says viewable on TV, viewable on all device. So Now if we want to make some adjustment, we can move adjustment, just a simple adjustment, and we are good to go by just dragging this up a bit. So let me drag it up a bit, then we are good to making this channel on a go. So what I'll do now is to just bring this up a bit, because this is where we missed everything up. Then when I'm good, I will share again and download again. So now download as PNG or JPEG. You can pick between this using Canva or JPEG. Then you click on download and it download again, and we have it on our system or your PC, depending on what you are using. So let's go back the final round if it gives us what we want, or we proceed. I'm going to cancel as well. I'm going to upload this again, and we're good to go. So now this is, I'll open it. Now everything is positioned well, Austin, all stuff. Now I'm good to go. So I'm going to hit on done. So it means all devices, whether on smartphone, they can see this on their PC or on smartphone. Now we're good to go. We'll go straight to watermark. There's no need adding watermark. When you're creating your video, you can as well put your watermark. So we'll go straight to basic info. If you think you are good with that, then check if there's any stuff you want to change here. Maybe you made mistake during your renaming. You can come here and put Learn Digital. Then at your description, you can decide to write a description. In my YouTube channel, I do some blah blah blah. You can just put in there what you do. You can add language if you think like you feel like adding language. So you can select original language for those. You can put English. Then we have, it depends on what you do. So you can write other stuff for it. Then when you're good to go, you can put on some stuff. Translate. So you're not translating. I'm not doing this. I'm not hitting the done. I'm not describing anything, because the language will be from my video. So now you can do that. This is your channel URL. In case anyone asks you for it, this is where you get it and stuff like that. So if you want to put another contact info, you can decide to put your contact info, like anything you like to put there. So just put in there and you go to go. So from there, you move on to, it said add link to site you want to share with your viewers. So you can add links if you have a website you want people to see. But above all, that is beautiful. So we have the branding, in case you want to put some the layout. This is what we mean. So we have the short video and the long video. So you know how I came to this place. It's so simple. So you click here, in case next time you come straight to your YouTube channel. But if you go straight to this at the channel, it take you to the studio. That is why we're in the studio. But if you want to watch film, you can just click on, or you want to search anything, you can go back to YouTube channel and you do what you want. So over here we have the dashboard at the studio. So at this place, I'm going to save that stuff and ensure, so publish this and ensure your savings are done. All savings are done. So all savings are done now. Now at this place we have the dashboard. They said okay, this no. So just wait for that. Changes saved. Go to channel. We are not going to channel. We have the dashboard aspect. At this place, this is where all your video appear. You can put videos. We have the content. So the at the dashboard aspect, this is where you have some analytics telling you about your subscribers. Currently 0 subscribers. In the next 1 year, we should be having at least 1 million subscribers. Yes, anyway. So this place we have the content. This is where your content shows up. Any content you upload, either short, they are all categorized. Playlists, podcasts, as time goes on, there analytic, then some and some. All right, this should be everything about setting up your YouTube channel. But most importantly, you can add some extension to this. You want to add some extension, it's advisable you add this extension as the vidIQ. So you can go to them to Chrome Web Store and just put some extension there so that you can use it anytime. So we'll come straight to Chrome Web Store so that we can put something great. So let me search for vidIQ. In case you don't have vidIQ, it's advisable you put vidIQ on your stuff. So put on your vidIQ and it's going to come. Then this one, we're going to install it. We're going to add this to Chrome, and in no time it should be downloading. We're going to add this extension very fast. It's checking here. That's where it read, then it downloads in no time. And so you have a good megabyte, because this 6.0 megabyte. You won't waste time, and before you know, we have them all listed here. So only this place I have just 2 extensions. It said it has been added to it. So when you make a new video, vidIQ is going to appear here and you can use it for your own goodness. That is one thing about this. So there are more things you can add as your description, which is what we said before. So at your channel, there are more things you can add. You can go straight to your dashboard, as we said before. You can rebrand as well. You can make some changes. You can come here again, this place, and go straight to your channel and see what's there. If there's anything you've uploaded, it should appear at this place, and more and more and more. So this is how it looks now. So anyone that comes in is going to see how this. So Learn Digital, either on smartphone, Austin, new video twice a week, then digital skill made easy. Then we have the subscribe button. You can make yours more beautiful than this. You can change by using the sign here. While over this, you can change this. You can customize your channel. I believe you learned so much, and I believe you should be part of this YouTube journey. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.